Provencher here with Keller Williams Realty in front of Tart Baking Company in Northampton. Super busy day. It's beautiful outside, nice and sunny. We're going to go on in and grab some coffee. It's time for a coffee break. Come on.
How do you pronounce that? Sigurado. Oh wow, that's good. I would like one of those. It's long. And then also my ice latte with both our nuts. Thank you. And you know what else? I think I might take one of your ginger molasses cookies. Alrighty.
Hey guys, back in Northampton in front of Tart Baking Company with my good friend Lynn. How's your drink?
Tastes great. It's the matcha limeade, really sweet and tart.
All right, cheers to the day.